Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your QuickBooks account. First, it's crucial to understand the permanent nature of this action. Before proceeding, ensure you have backed up all your essential financial data. This step is vital to prevent any loss of important records. Also, remember to cancel any active QuickBooks subscriptions to avoid future charges. Taking these initial steps will make the deletion process smoother and more secure for you. Before you delete your account, there are a few key preparations. Make sure all your outstanding bills are paid and every transaction is fully reconciled. It's also important to review and resolve any pending transactions or records that might be linked to your account. Finally, export all necessary financial reports and data. This ensures you retain copies for tax purposes or future reference, even after your account is gone. Now, let's walk through the actual deletion process. Begin by logging into your Intuit account online, not just your QuickBooks company file. Once logged in, locate and select the Data and Privacy section from the menu. Within this section, you'll find the option to initiate an account deletion request. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, confirming your decision to permanently remove your account and all associated data. After successfully deleting your QuickBooks account, remember that all your data is permanently removed. There's no going back, so ensure you've saved everything you need. If you only wanted to hide an account without losing historical data, inactivating it is a better option. For those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.